right at that point, I saw ripples. Look at how pretty the sunrise is. I mean, come on. There it is, huh? That's a good hit. A shark. A little shark. Shark. Alright. Trout. Short striking it. That's fun. That was a small trout though. Ooh, that was a big trout. There's that hook up. There's a good one fish. Oh, he got off. He's still on there. There we go. Thank you, Lord. Whew. I think that's the same one that hit. I literally jumped out of the water at it. It's a good trout. Ooh, that's a slob. Wow, look at her. I'm not going to, it's almost off, but I'm gonna, I don't really want to put her in a net. Just about 20. Got her. Nice trout, huh? Oh, yeah. 20 or so. There we go. Wow, look at her. All right. First fish of the day. Lots of strikes today. Look at her. Pretty, huh? Pretty trout. That's just about 21. I'll measure. Take a picture. You know what? I'm just gonna measure on my cutting board. I can measure the cutting board later. I got one cutting board. 1.5 cutting boards. Anyways, let's get her back. Look at her. Jumped out of the water at it. That's amazing. One more right along that current line. See that current break? I mean, I'm pretty sure that's where it was lying. Keep moving. Beautiful trout though. Last cast. There's another one. Oh. Boy, I hooked up with them for a second. Dang. Another nice one. How much fun is that? It had it 3 times. Isn't it giant? Oop, there's a bite. Woohoo. Okay. Try it again. Do a little bit of a intro while I soak this mullet. A 9:30 in the morning intro. Out on the ICW near an inlet. It's probably a mile that way, and I'm on an intercoastal river fishing topwater this morning. I had a bunch of bites. I think they were mostly trout except for one bite. I'm pretty sure one bite was a nice redfish. Couldn't connect. Had a hard time connecting on topwater. Ended up with one nice trout on topwater. He was about 22 or so. Hey. What do we have? It's running. Flesh at the top. Ooh, it's a good fighter. Fighting like a redfish. Unless it's a big old shark. Get this on. It's a bluefish. No. What is that? It's not a redfish, I don't think. What is that? Whatever it is, it's nice. Big one. Oh, big trout. Wow. On a head. Cut bait. Look at that nice trout. On cut bait. Good runner too. I'm gonna try to boat flip you. Buddy. He's hooked, I think. Decent to get off. Whoops. Cut my hand a little bit. Right. There he is. Ooh, nice trout. Alright. So he came on the cut mullet head. I've had that happen before, but I was actively jigging it when I had it last time. I was up in Oriental, or the Oriental area. Beauty! Wow! Oh, 20? I don't know. Oh, there. Check him out. Beautiful. In the sun. There we go. Look at her. Pretty fish. Okay. Got one on the Hayden. It's a little one, whatever it is. What are you? Ooh. Starting to fight. Shark? Bluefish. Blue. Oh, nice. I'll take them. First fish on the Hayden reel from Dennis. I'm done. I'm heading back. I'm going to troll the X-Wrap on the way out. Nothing on the twitch bait today. Everything was either on Topwater or cut mullet. Or live mullet. The one trout came... I'm sorry, the trout came on cut mullet head. And the bluefish came on a live mullet. And a shark. No, that was on a pinfish. Live pinfish. Great day, fun day. It's hot. Everything's hot. Air temperature's hot. Water temperature 85.1. Crazy. I started at low tide, working Topwater, getting bait before dark or before light, and then I worked Topwater until about 8 o'clock or so. Then I switched over to the twitch bait. Usually I have good luck on the twitch bait. I'm surprised I didn't get anything out here. I think at lower tide it would have been a different story out here with the twitch bait. A little bit later in the day, maybe. I don't know. The water might just be too warm too. You know, these, I wouldn't think they'd be up creek though, even on high tide, because the water is so darn hot. It's gonna be hotter back there, where the sun can bake the bottom easier. I don't know, man. Maybe they're going out. Maybe they're going out too. I don't know. Well, hopefully, if I think my camera overheated, so that's probably missed a little bit of what I was talking about and what I was doing. But I'm gonna turn you off because of that. If I do get something on here, I'll turn you on and you'll miss the hit. But it's too hot to run the camera. Thanks for coming out here, y'all. We'll see you on the next trip.